This next song, as Claire said, we're both from Dumfries and Galloway, and there's a big Irish connection, particularly where I'm from in Stranraer. And this next song is set to the tune of "The Water Is Wide." You'll probably recognise this tune, but the words are about the Irish boy and a young woman who's been had her heart broken by a rogue Irishman. And this is a song that we learned from the singing of a lady called Phyllis Martin. So here's the Irish boy.
I should also mention that we did this song recently for a programme on BBC Radio Scotland called Take the Floor. So it is available online, I think just for the next 30 days or something like that. But if you want to have a little listen again, we're on the BBC Radio Scotland homepage.
There sits a bird in yonder tree. Some say he's blind and cannot see. Oh, how I wish that bird was me, since my true love has left me. Oh, what a foolish young girl was I to fall in love with an Irish boy. An Irish boy he may well be, but he spoke brave Scots when he could any. I wish in vain. I wish I was a maid again, but a maid again I'll never be, till an apple grows on an orange tree. Oh, what a foolish young girl was I to fall in love with an Irish boy. An Irish boy he may well be, but he spoke brave Scots